right. Hey ladies. So I'm a single mom, a single woman, and I'm going to replace this sun visor right on my dashboard because it needs to come off. I have a Nissan Pathfinder and I'm going to get ready to sell it, so I need to make it ready for that. I got this replacement sun visor off of Amazon, and here I am. There was a cap on this that I was able to remove with a screwdriver. All right, that it exposed these screws. Then I had to go to Family Dollar, get a wrench because I didn't have one at home, and now I have one. So I'm remove it. Remember, lefty loosey, right? This is an easy project. All right, you can do this for yourself. You don't have to go and pay $100 for a mechanic to replace this for you. If it ever comes off. Okay, the screw is coming off, so let me put it over here. And I'm going to get my second one. And the house is, or the car is in the way of this, but we're gonna get this off. Alright, maybe I'm not doing this right, but we're gonna get it. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Got that second screw. There's only 2 screws, so it's easy. Now let's see what we got going on here. Oh, that came right on out. Slid right on out. Now we're going to take the new, Lord. So this one, it has an illuminator, the light thing, but I don't see a cable. Let me see. Maybe I previously didn't have one for that. Didn't light up before, so I'm just gonna, oh, maybe that's it. I don't know. But this one comes with a cable. We're not gonna worry about that because I don't see a hookup. And we're gonna take this. All right, so let's see how that folds down. We gotta fold this down first. So you're gonna stick that cable up in there because you may not have the light that goes in here that came with the car. I don't think I originally did. And I have no clue where my other, I think we threw that thing away when it popped off. So you're gonna replace this, you're gonna put the screw, now you're gonna go tighty-righty, take the wrench. Oh my goodness, it's hard to hold both of these, but I got it. So what I'm gonna do is put that one a little bit of the ways in. And I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to it fell out. Put it back in. Wrong hole, fool. All right, we're gonna try this again. No, these are not the sounds I normally make when I'm putting it in. I'm a little bit louder. All right, so we're gonna screw you guys. I'm going home and I dropped the other screw, so I'm gonna reach down like so, like that, and tap up the voice. And I'm just gonna screw these at first, like with my finger. Ah! It fell again. Okay, you go. And then hold that with your mouth. What that mouth do? And screw it in a little bit. Yo, this is taking forever. That's okay. You have. That's why God gave you 2 hands. Oh, okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Now, got this wrench. Don't you dare come out. Don't you dare. Keep it in. Okay. So, oh, maybe I should turn this a little bit more. All right, there we go. Oh, okay, that fits right in there. Oh, I should have thought of that before. Duh. Oh yeah, that is how a wrench works. But it's not in the fucking hole. Oh. Guys, it's so hot in Houston. Lord. Okay. Now that I got some help from this little holder, I can do this better. And I'm not gonna put them both in at the same time. One at a time. I'm not gonna put them both in at the same time. Okay, there we go. I don't think that's how a wrench works, is it? How was I doing that? Oh, there it was. Okay, got that. How does a wrench work? Let's see. There you go. It's supposed to be easy like that. Oh, that took longer than I anticipated. This video is going too damn long. All right, now we're gonna insert the other one. And take this wrench and do just like this. No, it's not on, right? Okay. Turn that little button and that activate. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna put the screw in some more. Okay. Oh my god. Y'all, now I gotta get my air fixed before I sell this car because my air isn't working and I'm in Houston and this is not okay. And the people claim they were ordering the part and they never call me back, and so I'm gonna go over there and go off on them. But and they broke my air conditioner while they were fixing my alternator. So that's why it's good to know how to do things, because I would never want to go be a mechanic though. All right, now I have successfully put the new thingy on, and I'm gonna replace the cap, and voila, you have a new sun visor. Yay!